In today's video, I'm going to teach you automate daily LinkedIn post ideas with an AI-powered 6 a.m. workflow. Here's how the system works from start to finish. Every morning at 6 a.m., a scheduled trigger quietly kicks things off. You don't have to open a tool or push a button. The workflow wakes up reliably on its own. That consistent start time helps you build a steady pipeline of ideas without thinking about it. Right after the trigger, the workflow checks your Google Sheets to pull the most recently generated ideas. This quick look back is key to keeping your content fresh. It ensures you're not reinventing the wheel or repeating what you published last week. To stay focused on what matters, the workflow trims that history down to just the 5 most recent entries. Keeping it tight gives the AI enough context to avoid duplicates, while not overwhelming it with too much background. Next, the magic happens with an AI research step powered by Perplexity. It scans the web, think communities like Reddit and Hacker News, social streams like Twitter or X, and tech outlets like TechCrunch, alongside personal blogs, to surface non-obvious trends across generative AI agents, vibe coding, automation, no-code tools, and product management. With the recent ideas in mind, it avoids repeats and returns 3 structured LinkedIn post ideas in clean JSON, ready to use. Because clean data saves headaches later, the output is immediately parsed into a reliable structure using a dedicated parser. This keeps fields consistent and predictable, so the next step can focus on quality, not cleanup. Those structured ideas are then transformed into punchy, human-sounding LinkedIn drafts. Think sharp hooks, a clear point of view, emotional resonance, and subtle calls to action that invite conversation. The tone and formatting vary naturally so your feed doesn't feel robotic or repetitive. Before saving, a small code step flattens the JSON into a simple, sheet-friendly format. That makes storage and later analysis effortless. Then every new idea and draft is appended to your Google Sheets, creating a growing content library you can filter, tag, and repurpose anytime. Finally, you receive a Telegram message confirming that fresh ideas are ready. No more refreshing spreadsheets. You get a nudge when the work is done. With this workflow, you get daily on-time idea generation, automatic duplicate avoidance, research-backed topics, human-like drafts that are ready to refine, reliable storage for tracking, and instant notifications to stay on top of your pipeline. It's ideal for content creators, marketers, and founders who want consistent, AI-assisted LinkedIn content without the manual grind.